In this video, we're going over the top 7 problems you should know about on the 2013 Honda CR-V. Number 1. Air conditioning blowing warm air. One of the most expensive problems on the 2013 CR-V involves the AC compressor. The compressor is mounted low on the front passenger side of the engine, driven by the serpentine belt. When it fails, the symptoms are immediate. You'll get warm air from the vents, even on the coldest setting. You may hear grinding, clunking, or high-pitched squealing noises from the engine bay when the AC is turned on. In many cases, the AC clutch won't engage, meaning there's no click and no RPM dip. Some owners even report a burning metallic or rubber smell. An aftermarket compressor with clutch costs around $393, while a Honda OEM unit can be close to $868. If the compressor seizes and contaminates the system, total repairs often range from $2,500 to over $3,900. In lighter cases, only the clutch pulley may need replacement, usually $100 to $150. Number 2. Sticky or non-working door locks. This issue is caused by worn door lock tumblers. The lock assembly sits inside the door, behind the interior door panel. Symptoms include difficulty inserting or turning the key, a crunchy or sticky feeling when locking or unlocking, and in severe cases, the key getting stuck in the lock cylinder. Most repairs involve replacing the door lock actuator assembly. Parts typically cost $107 to $134, with total repair costs between $230 and $315. Number 3. Groaning noise when turning on AWD models. On all-wheel drive CR-Vs, a groaning noise during turns is usually caused by rear differential fluid breakdown. The rear differential is located under the vehicle between the rear wheels. Symptoms include a low-frequency groan or honk, usually during tight, low-speed turns, sometimes accompanied by a slight vibration through the floor. Servicing the differential with Honda dual-pump fluid typically costs under $100 or around $120 or more at a dealership. Number 4. Windshield wipers not parking properly. This problem is caused by a failing wiper motor. The motor is located under the plastic cowl at the base of the windshield. Symptoms include wipers stopping in the middle of the glass, continuing to run when switched off, or a loud whining noise during operation. Aftermarket motors cost $55 to $170, Honda units are $100 to $150, and total repairs usually range from $120 to $530. Number 5. Vibration when braking. Warped front brake rotors are a common cause of braking vibration. The rotors sit behind the front wheels on the hubs. Symptoms include a shaking steering wheel, a pulsating brake pedal, and sometimes squealing or thumping noises. Rotors typically cost $50 to $125 each, with full front brake jobs ranging from $250 to $400, or $626 to $1,082 for full replacement. Number 6. Harsh shift from first to second gear. The automatic transmission is mounted behind the engine on the driver's side. When fluid breaks down or solenoids act up, shifting quality suffers. Symptoms include a hard lurch, delayed engagement with rising RPMs, or a shudder during the shift. A proper drain and fill service costs $150 to $400. If internal damage is present, repairs can exceed $2,300. Number 7. Check engine light caused by the fuel cap. The fuel cap is located on the driver's side rear quarter panel. A binding cap can trigger EVAP codes. Symptoms include the check engine light, difficulty tightening the cap, and sometimes a fuel smell near the rear. A new cap costs $15 to $30, while replacing the filler neck runs $150 to $250. Let me know in the comments, which of these problems have you experienced, or did I miss one you've dealt with?